In today's video, I will share with you 7 simple and effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth at home that you can start implementing. 1. Brush with baking soda and water. Baking soda has natural whitening properties that can help scrub away surface stain on teeth. It also prevents bacteria from growing. Brush the teeth with a mixture of baking soda and water every few days. 2. Oil pulling. This involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria. This reduces bacteria in the mouth along with plaque. The best oil to use is coconut oil. It is rich in lauric acid, which is known to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. 3. Use hydrogen peroxide. This can kill bacteria in your mouth. You can use it as a mouthwash or mix it with baking soda to form a whitening toothpaste. Combine 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and gently brush your teeth with mixture. Limit the use to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth enamel. 4. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that may help whiten your teeth. The overuse of vinegar may erode your tooth enamel, so limit its use to a few times per week. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around in your mouth for several minutes. Rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. 5. Prevent tooth stain before they happen. Some things can help prevent stain on your teeth. Limit staining foods and beverages such as coffee, red wine, soda, etc. These stain your teeth. Drink beverages known to stain teeth out of a straw to prevent direct contact with your teeth. Also brush your teeth soon after consuming one of these foods or beverages to limit their effect on the color of your teeth. Limit your sugar intake. A diet high in sugar can lead to bacteria that causes plaque. When you eat a sugar food, be sure to brush your teeth soon after. 6. Regularly brushing and flossing your teeth can help your teeth stay white by reducing bacteria in your mouth and preventing plaque buildup. 7. Organic wheatgrass. It inhibits the growth of disease-causing bacteria and reduces the plaque buildup. It contains chlorophyll, one of nature's best remedies for gum disease. Add a quarter teaspoon of wheatgrass to a half glass of water and mix well. Then swish the mixture around in your mouth for 1 to 2 minutes. Then spit out into a sink and then brush your teeth with a regular toothpaste. Conclusion: there are many natural methods to help whiten your teeth. These remedies work by gently removing surface stains on your teeth. However, most whitening treatment products are much stronger than these natural remedies. They involve bleaching the teeth, which may be more effective for severe tooth discoloration. You can purchase teeth whitening products online. The link to buy Alpha White Teeth Whitening is in the description. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, and check the links in the description.